It's been a while since I've been to the food court at Terminal 21 ACCOMMODATIONS. A bunch of subscribers said, oh, you want to save some money on food, you gotta go to the food court. And I forgot, it's one of the most amazing food courts around at a mall. This pad thai with an egg was about $2 US. So this video is not really about the food court here. Tonight we're going to a market, kind of same but different, Jodd Fairs. Now I've been to the Jodd Fairs at Rama 9, but I recently found out there's more than one, and I thought the other one was far away, but it's only a few stops from the other Jodd Fairs. I'll tell you more about it later, but we're going to head over there and take a look at one of the Jodd Fairs markets. What is that, Ratchada? The one we're going to is Ratchada. The other one is Rama 9. I think it's a little smaller, but we'll get over there and check it out. I recently found out there's actually two, and I thought they were on the other side of the city from each other, but they're not. They're only two MRT stations away. So you take the MRT 3 stations from like Terminal 21, ASOC, and you're here at this is the Thai Cultural Center. Yeah, Thailand Cultural Center exit, and we're gonna walk up and check out this market. So I'm wondering if it's bigger than the other one, smaller, and also we tried something on the MRT. She used my card I have, you know, my MRT card, and it was 22 baht, and I used my credit card because they take Visa on the subway now. I don't think they take it on the SkyTrain, but they take it on the subway. So when I went through, I wanted to see how much it was going to be, and it doesn't say. And I just checked my credit card statement, not on there yet. So hopefully by the end of this video, I will know how much, you know, if it's the same amount when you use the your little rabbit type of card, or if you use your credit card. But let's head down to the market and check it out. There's also another market, I think one more stop, what do you call that? The train market or the big market? What's that other one called?
Train market.
That's what it was on the map? Or didn't you say like big market or something?
I don't know what is that.
Oh, you know what? Here's the Jodd Fair right here. We don't even got to walk that far. It's literally right here. Okay. They got the music. Let's walk down this way. So, wow, really nice. Kind of similar to the other one with all the booths set up. I mean, I guess whoever owns the one owns both. The other one is huge now. They've opened up like a whole new area. It's huge. On Google, they're giving this a 4.0, the other one a 4.3, but she's never been to either one, and I've never been to this one, so we decided to come to this one this time. That's bigger than you. They got the big one we just looked at. Look at that. Oh my God. Aloy mai? Aloy mai? Oh, that's me Thai. Okay. Oh, khap kun. Bye-bye. Thank you. Yeah, that's what these markets are famous for. I've had this before at the other Jodd Fair. This is very popular here. You may need that for my flatulence problems, huh? You think?
I can buy for you.
No, I think you need.
No, you need.
No, you need from me.
Oh, yeah.
From my flatulence, you know. So what I'm seeing here basically is this is kind of a scaled down version of the other one. I think the other one may be about twice as big, the other Jodd Fairs. But she was just, Rooney was just talking to somebody that said that big market or train market, whatever it is that's close to here is much bigger. Next time we're going to check that one out. So make sure you subscribe to the channel if you like this type of content, markets, what's going on in Bangkok, this type of thing. But we're going to decide what we're going to get. They pretty much have everything you could want, just on a scaled down version, like I said from the other one. So we're going to make a decision here. Let's see what's down here. So we could get, the ribs are good here too. So there's a lot of competition here. What do you think about all that competition? We're in between like 3 different booths over there, and they're all like, come here, we got this, we got this. Like they're almost, I mean, I wouldn't be surprised if they get in fights, you know, over like customers. Like, come here, this, that. Some of them have like combos, combinations. Look at that big fish. You want to eat that poor thing? Oy. Okay, you want to just go back to that other one there? So she's going to look and see if they have any sets at this one. A lot of these other ones offer sets. Maybe this one just a la carte.
มีเป็นเซตนะ
Yeah. So $6.90. Yeah, I think that okay. All right, let's do it.
Here?
Yeah. So we're trying to figure out, because this place doesn't have sets. These other ones are offering all these different sets. Trying to figure out, okay, what is the best deal in the house here? And guess what? It's giving me a headache, so we're just eating here. I can't figure it out. I think she's trying to find a cooler spot where the air conditioning is. Maybe down here, a little bit of air con. They got these big machines, but I don't feel anything. Okay, you want to see here? All right, she's got it set up in a direct view from the aircon. Can I feel it? No, I don't feel anything. But it's not too hot today. We're getting the ribs, the grilled fish, and cabbage. So there it is. Got our cabbage. It's pretty big. This whole feast and 2 drinks under 1,000 baht, 860, I think.
450 บาท
No, but with the drinks, everything, yeah, 850 total. I gotta tell you, these peppers here, I just had one, very spicy. Would I just tear it apart like this? Just use my hand and tear it apart. Oh my God, I'm like soaked, just sweating profusely. That broth, like, there's so many hot peppers just embedded in that pork and in that broth that came in that pork. I guess it's like the pork back. I'm just friggin' stuffed. What is that? Oh, have scorpion. You want to try? So I just checked my credit card again. The MRT fee is still not on there. I think they're really trying to go to the credit card system and not have people buying those rabbit cards anymore because, well, it used to be 100 baht. Now it's 150 baht to buy a card, and then you have to load money on it. So you have to spend 250 to have 100 baht on the card, or you can just use a Visa card. You have to have Visa. So eventually I'll find out how much that fare was. So Rooney's over here posing for pictures at this car, and she got yelled at by security. She bad girl. Buying. Bad. All right, just a shorter video today. I know you guys are sick of the longer 20-minute videos. If you want to see my video from Jodd Fair over at Rama 9, check this video out up here. I'll put a link, and make sure you subscribe if you enjoyed it. Give me a thumbs up. I'll see you guys in the next video. Greeny out.